Hello guys and welcome to the fourth devlog episode in this series where I show you a week of game developments in Unity. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Today is Saturday and I'm starting things off by a big problem, and the problem is Unity have crashed and everything in the second level is completely gone. So I have to remake the level 2, which is a shame. I've put a lot of effort in the level 2 and now it's gone. So 5000 hours later, here's the new animation. It looks pretty boring and dead, you might think, but I have no past experience in animation, so this is an achievement for me. So 3 years later, and here's the new run animation. I know it's crap, but it's my first attempt at animation, so it's pretty good, I think. So the enemy is up and running. We just have to implement the animation, which, to be honest with you, I don't know what the hell am I gonna do. I'm probably gonna be watching a tutorial before making it, so yeah. So here's the enemy in its full glory and it's working really good. But I think this is all for today. I'm gonna hit the sack and start tomorrow. So today is Monday and I'm thinking a little bit like we have all of these enemies that damages you, but there's nothing that restores your health. And I thought of this and now I want to make a cheese. Yes, cheese. If I wasn't mistaken, cheese is the main food source in World War II and World War I, and it's really nutritious and you need it to restore your health. Okay guys, so the cheese is completely done and it can heal you. There are some animations and it's cool, but hey, there are no particles. Oh my god, I have to do some particles using Unity's particle system. So here's the cheese completely done with its own particles. I don't know about the particle, I think it's a bit too fast, but I'm gonna be working on it. So yeah. So I have slowed down the particle a little bit and it looks kinda like that. Yeah, it's now much better. Today is Tuesday and I'm starting off by removing all of the lights in the game. You're probably gonna be asking me why, and I'm gonna tell you why. Because it is so taxing on the performance of the game and it introduces input lag, which is super annoying. I'm gonna be probably sticking around with the global light until the game is pretty much finished, and I'm gonna introduce the lighting back. After removing the lights, I wanted to finish the main mechanics of the game and introduce the new all direction dash. So it's been like an hour or something, and I have decided to scrap that all direction dash, toss it in the bin. I don't want it anymore. I'm done with the mechanics. I'm fully finished now. I'm gonna move on something else. And the thing that I wanted to do is to change the levels to be section based. What does that mean? Don't worry, I got you covered. This is a basic sketch of a standard level, and it is made out of sections where you enter the first section, you kill some bad guys, and then to the second, and the list goes on until you find the boss. Probably not every level is gonna have a boss. I'm gonna make it so 5 levels and then a mini boss, and each 10 levels you fight a real boss. So let's go to work. So as you can see, this is the first level, which is composed of 5 sections. You kind of like start here in some sort of lab or futuristic facility, and then you keep going and until you finish the level. But I'm afraid this is what I had for today, so see you tomorrow. Today is Thursday and I haven't done much in Wednesday, so today we have a lot of things to do. Well, the first thing that I did is to change the camera. I used to use a script to move the camera and make it follow the player, but now I'm using the Cine Machine. And the first thing that you notice is the delay between the player moving and the actual camera moving, which is really smooth. Yeah, just look at it. It's better than the previous camera. By the way, you can achieve this via script, but I think it's much better to do it using the Cine Machine. So I have tried to make some kind of recoil and it is looking terrible. Absolutely terrible. Oh my god. I think I should forget about this recoil thing and get back to features and stuff. So yeah. Before we end today's episode, I just wanna answer a question that a subscriber asked me in the previous episode, which is how I shoot 3 bullets at the same time from the shotgun, which is really easy by the way. You just have to take your shotgun and create in it 3 empty game objects and rotate them the way you want, and then from those 3 game objects you instantiate a bullet from each one of them, and you can make another script or you can do this in just in a single script, but I wanted to make 2 scripts. You just launch your bullet using this line of code, And this is it. I guess this is what I had for today's episode. I know I haven't done a lot of things because I haven't had a lot of time to work, and I've wasted my time on simple features like the rate of fire and the recoil, which actually I couldn't make it work. If you guys know how to make recoil and rate of fire, please let me know in the comments section below. But see you next week.